Yo, YouTube, wanna deal with that mocking lab as usual. You know, dog, you see what we are dealing with the dog. Have no fear, the Dan is here. Yes, man, you see what I deal with today, man. We're back with another reaction as usual. We're back in the lab with none other than, oh, yes, man, not Mr. The Valiant, man. And thing like that, they are Templeboss. They are them dream big. Dream big. You see me? You have to have big dreams on here, no small dreams on here. Shoot for the blood cleat stars and you might land on the cloud. You shoot for the cloud, you just drop on a mountain, you drop on ground. You never know. So shoot far, blood cleat. Make sure you like and subscribe button. You see me? The one that sound like is an inspirational one. You see me? So I check it out and swear Valiant. A deep it. You see me? I say, yes, man, Valiant. Hey, go on, show. Valiant was in the top 10. He's like the 10 most streamed artist right now. Or 9th. One of them, if I'm not mistaken. So, Valiant definitely doing this thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Mr. Yeah, man. So, we're there with Valley. Dream big. You man, Templeboss. Let's get it. Burn up some incense. I cut out the crosses. Watch out. Oh, my. Oh, my. Who you? Who you? Who you? Oh, my. Yes, mama. Yes, gal. Where you up to? You look like you up to some fuckery doing that. Look like you're just with the videos, you know. You're just with the videos, you look like you're just some fuckery. Watch you. What the valley?
The scent from my body make me feel more money should I spend.
Alright, Valiant, you couldn't press your shirt, dog. You couldn't iron a shirt, brother. Come on, man. You check out me, brother. And you claim to say you have money. You couldn't iron the shirt. I'm too afraid to iron these days. Eh? Press the clothes, man. Go on, Chudo.
Last night, Louis V cup ripping on my jeans with my blicky on my waist one side. My push is spaceship, yeah, me ain't alright. Watch me car like
Woman, that nice too, girl. Girl, go on, Chudo.
blind, yo. Every time I have to ever try, my feel changes and here we go higher. Yeah, my dream big, such a hype feeling. 7 series, watch your bike wheeling.
Yeah.
Them never see me, stars not the ceiling.
Dream ring, I saw it. Pull up that blood clean valley. Me like this, me like that. I want to catch it. We dream big. One I see it. Where the dogs? I'm going to get a party again. Go to more again.
Every time I have to ever try, my feel changes and here we go higher. Yeah, my dream big, such a hype feeling. 7 series, watch your bike wheeling. Them never see me, stars not the ceiling. Yeah,
I said we dream big, such a nice feeling. 7 series, watch your bike wheeling. Me like that, me like that.
Yeah, my dream big, such a hype feeling. 7 series, watch your bike wheeling. Them never see me, stars not the ceiling. Yeah, me mean it, the world of a body mind. Similar life can't ever feel so similar. Drive round half for me more than a million. Locking up my car, yeah, you know it built in. New whip drop right up windscreen. DC blade.
New whip drop white out windscreen. Go on, Joe.
And we built in. New whip drop right up windscreen. DC blade. Build up some scheme out of BCS. Sense up on my loop, me have the key figure. Self-driven and you know this. When dog get me rich from out of COVID. Money make we obsessed. Loose girl making money run back.
She's pissed down and rich and COVID. Money up, then upset. Loose girl though.
Self-driven and you know this. When dog get me rich from out of COVID. Money make we obsessed. Loose girl making money run back. We up there, yeah, we up there.
Money make we obsess. Loose girl making money run away. We don't want no losers round we. No losers.
A millions we drop on the any decks. Me feel like a party. And me and me, she take a shot at the Cavassi. Gold digger, she will lead on the artist. For the fuck, she don't really want me. Sent for my boy.
Gold digger, she will lean on the artist. For the fuck, she don't really want me. I don't know what's the money the girl them want.
Lead on the artist. For the fuck, she don't really want me. Sent for my body, make me feel more money should I spend last night. Louis V cup ripping on my jeans with my blicky on my waist one side. My push is spaceship, yeah, me ain't alright. Watch me car like me blind, yo. Every time I have to ever try, my feel changes and here we go higher.
Jeez, you know, go on through. Hey, me like the two that still there, go on through.
Only fabric on is so heavy. When I see no boy, if it's scary.
Yeah.
Memory fabric on just
Louis Fabric and wave it on them bumbo like a flag. Go on through.
wavy. Drag down millions daily.
Now the Euros. The Euros. They can't stop us. Yes, Euros with the US. You see me and say, we are the best. No Cali. Go on through.
Dream big. 7 series.
7 series.
Ceiling. The world have to see me.
See we know that mafia. Well, have to see we are when them bad man with him, they have to see we. Them I got tired. Fix it with face. No bad money. Yes, man, we're going to put in the work, you know. Them I got hate, you know. But that's what haters do. So let the haters do what they gonna do. Yes, man, go and show the gas.
What should I spell?
Louis
Louis V ripping on my jeans with my blicky on my waist one side.
Yes, man.
My bush is spaceship, yeah, me in alright. Watch me car light, yeah, we blind, yeah. Every time I have to every try, my feel changes and yeah, we're going higher.
Yes, man, we never left it down here, man. Best believe. Valley. Calm down, Nigeria. We do one rifle long time, man. Calm down, Nigeria.
And now the pit stop.
Nigeria. Calm down, Maggie. But yeah, man, big up to Valley. Yeah, man, I like the one, the Valley. Dream big. Every youth out there, every get a youth out there, every youth out there, you should be dreaming big. You see me? Don't let nobody tell you say your dream is too big and it's too put out there, you can't reach all type of. You got to have dreams and aspirations. Sometimes it'll get rough on the journey, you know. It'll get rough on the journey. Sometimes you're going to feel like give up. Sometimes you're going to want to take a break. Sometimes you're going to feel like say there's no, but you got to keep going and push through. Because nothing more the haters want than for you to give up. But don't give up. Shame them. I when I go through the worst time. I when I have the worst time I go through. I when things not the way you want it to be. Keep going. You see me? I say one side and I laugh, you know. I say, what you that thing keep on doing it not work. Listen to me. Everybody will laugh and they will criticize until it work. You see me? They will laugh, they will criticize until it work. You see when it work, everybody will say, you're genius. We did believe in you a long time. We know say it didn't. I lie them and tell, but that's a part of it. You see me? Don't get discouraged. Well, I say that you're going to get discouraged. But when you get discouraged, just get up and start again. You see me? I say, apartheid. You see me? I say, you see me? For me, tell us, don't get discouraged and don't stop and don't. I'm going to tell you that. But what I'm going to say is, push past that blood clean. You see me? You get discouraged, you know, but shake it off. You see me? You might take a break, but shake it off. You might buck your toe and stumble, but get back up. You see me? Me don't like to tell you say don't buck your toe. Me don't like to tell you don't stumble. You see me, but we are human beings. We are going to buck with toe, we are going to stumble sometime, we are going to get discouraged at time. But get back up and try again. Because remember when they say nothing beat a trial but a failure. After you're still trying, you haven't failed. Best believe, man. Best believe. You see me as again. So keep going. Shoot after your dream. Stars in the limit. Don't make them stop you. You see me as a big up Valiant. Dream big. Every you dream big. Hit like and subscribe. Out.